Hi guys, today we're going to be making the start of our Discord to Roblox ban bot. So today we're going to be just making our command handler, basically a very simple command handler. I recommend you watch my other videos because I go into detail more. First of all, we're going to make a new file, index.js, and we're also going to make a config.json. Next, open terminal, install, and we're going to do discord.js request. If I can think of more later. And while that's doing that, let's just start on our config.json. So our token is going to be so the token's going to be this is a reset one, and what should our prefix be? Let's say exclamation mark prefix and exclamation mark. As you can see, it's now installed our packages, which is useful. Next we'll go over to our index.js and start the command handler. So first of all, we need to just import a few things. Const discord equals require discord.js const prefix and our token equals require, and we're just going to do /config.json. Next we're going to import fs, const fs equals require fs. This should be automatically installed with node modules. Const client equals new discord.client, and client.commands equals new discord.collection. Const command files equals fs.reader redirect file sync, and we are going to filter file callback and file.ends with, and then we're going to get .js. Next we're going to make a simple for loop for const file of command files, const command equals require /commands. Delete this, make template labels. Also, while we're doing this, make a new folder here called commands. Okay, so this is going to be /commands $$ brackets and file. Next we're going to set it into our collection, so client.commands.set command.name and the command itself. Next just gonna do our ready event. Okay, now I'm going to do our message event. Client dot on message. I'm going to get the message we send. If the message dot content dot starts with prefix and message dot author dot bot return const args equals message content dot slice, and we are going to prefix dot length dot trim, then dot split slash plus slash slash plus slash. That's it. Okay, next we're going to check if our commands collection actually has our command. So if client dot commands dot has command, oh yeah, I'll have to check if we make a command thing first. Const command equals args dot shift dot two lowercase brackets on the end here. Yeah, so checking if they don't have it. Okay, then we're going to do our try catch. So try catch error. I can spell. Console dot error message dot channel dot send error executing command, and then the one line part here, client dot commands dot get command dot execute, and then we're going to send in our message and our args. Okay, so now we are going to make our first command. So in our commands folder, just make a file called test.js, and then you want to start it like this. So module.exports equals, and then we're gonna open it up, name test description test command execute with message and args. Message.channel.send. Now the command works. Okay, let's try this. So I'm just going to clear the console, node index.js. Oh, okay, one other thing. Index.js, we need to log in. Client.login token. Now it'll work. Yeah, bot ready. And then I'm just going to quickly get onto Discord. Okay, so you see the bandbot is online, and if we do the test command, we get the command works. Okay, so this is going to be it for today. tomorrow we're going to be doing, or whenever the next video is uploaded, we're going to be doing event handling, and we're also going to be setting up our routes and our, maybe something bonus depending on the time we get on the video. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow.